There are infinite such manifestations of Buddhas and bodhisattvas. More specifically, had the demons of Hor not been defeated, they would have threatened the security and happiness of the teachings and beings, and this is why Gesar utterly eradicated those hostile forces. The indications that Gesar was an emanation include the prints left behind by his horse Kyangbu and many other such miraculous signs, universally renowned and still evident in the great northern kingdom and elsewhere. To put it simply, Gesar is a manifestation of Manjusri, a messenger of Padmasambhava, a dance-like emanation of the activity of the dharma-king tri-song, detsen, a great vidyadhara who achieved immortality as a direct disciple of Lang Ami Changchub Drekol, a warrior spirit for the whole of Jambudvipa, a refuge and protector for all practitioners, who is outwardly powerful and inwardly caring, the wealth keeper of China and Tibet, and the great scourge of foreign armies and invaders.